Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class, I am going to teach sums from the chapter Coordinate Geometry, exercise 5.1, sum number 8 and 9. Exercise 5.1, sum number 8. Let P 11,7, Q 13.5, 4 and R 9.5, 4. B. The midpoint of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Find the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Hence, find the area of the triangle ABC and compare this with the area of triangle PQR. Here, a triangle is given, that is ABC, triangle ABC. The midpoint of the sides of the triangle is given. Midpoint of AB is P, that is 11.7. Midpoint of BC is Q, 13.5, 4. Midpoint of AC is R, 9.5, 4. Find the coordinate of the vertices A, B and C. A triangle A, B and C. R is the midpoint of AC. Q is the midpoint of BC, P is the midpoint of A. The point B taken as R A1, B1. A1 is 11, B1 is 7. R, the point R 9.5, 4 is taken as A2, B2. A2 is 9.5, B2 is 4. Q 13.5, 4 is taken as A3, B3. A3 is 13.5, B3 is 4. The coordinate of vertices A is A1 plus A2 minus A3, B1 plus B2 minus B3, 11 plus 9.5 minus 13.5, 7 plus 4 minus 4, 11 plus 9.5, 20.5 minus 13.5, 7, 4 minus 4, 0, 7. 20.5 minus 13.5, 7. 7. The coordinate of the vertices A is 7, 7. The coordinates of vertices B, A1 plus A3 minus A2, B1 plus B3 minus B2. A1 11, A3 13.5, A2 9.5, B1 7, B3 4, B2 4. 11 plus 13.5 minus 9.5, 7 plus 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 0, 7. 11, 13.5 minus 9.5, 4. 11 plus 4, 15, 7. The coordinate of the vertices B is 15, 7. The coordinate of vertices C is A2 plus A3 minus A1. B2 plus B3 minus B1, A2 9.5, A3 13.5, A1 11, B2 4, B3 4, B1 7. 13.5 minus 9.5, 4. 11 plus 4, 15. 4 minus 4, 0, 7. 15, 7. The coordinate of vertices B is 15, 7. The coordinate of vertices C is A2 plus A3 minus A1, B2 plus B3 minus B1, A2 9.5 plus A3 13.5, A1 11, B2 4 plus B3 4 minus B1 7, 9.5 plus 13.5 minus 11, 2.5, 4 plus 4, 8 minus 7, 9.5 plus 2.5, 12. 8 minus 7, 1. The coordinates of vertices C is 12, 1. Area of the triangle ABC. A is 7, 7. B. C is 12, 1. B is 15, 7. Taken A, x1, y1. C, x2, y2. B, x3, y3. x1, 7. y1, 7. x2, 12, y2 1, x3 15, y3 7. Area of the triangle ABC of into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. half into x1 7 into y2 1 minus y3 7 plus x2 12 y3 7 minus y1 7 plus x3 15 into y1 7 minus y2 1 half into 7 into 1 minus 7 minus 6 plus 12 into 7 minus 7 0 plus 15 into 7 minus 1 6 1 by 2 7 into minus 6 minus 42 12 into 0 0 15 into 6 90 plus 90 minus 42 plus 90 1 by 2 into minus 42 plus 90 1 by 2 into 90 minus 42 48 48 divided by 2 24 square units. Area of triangle ABC is 24 square units. Area of triangle PQR. Point P 11, 7 is x1, y1, x1 11, y1 7. R 9.5, 4, x2 9.5, y2 4. Q 13.5, 4, x3 13.5, y3 4. Area of the triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. Half into x1 is 11 into y2 4 minus y3 4 plus x2 9.5 y3 4 minus y1 is 7 plus x3 is 13.5 into y1 7 minus y2 is 4 1 by 2 11 into 4 minus 4 0 plus 9.5 into 4 minus 7 minus 3 plus 13.5 into 7 minus 4 3 3 1 by 2 11 into 0 0 plus 9.5 into 3 minus 3 minus 28.5 plus 13.5 into 3 40.5 1 by 2 40.5 minus 28.5 12 12 by 2 6 square units. Area of the triangle PQR is 6 square units. Area of the triangle ABC is 24 square units. 4 into 6 24 square units. 6 is the area of the triangle PQR. 4 into area of the triangle PQR. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 4 times of area of the triangle PQR. Exercise 5.197. In the figure, the quadrilateral swimming pool shown in surrounded by concrete patio. Find the area of the patio. Here, see the swimming pool. Here, two quadrilateral have A, B, C, D is one quadrilateral, E, F, G, H another quadrilateral. In between, a concrete patio is placed. Find the area of the concrete patio. Find area of the outer quadrilateral and area of the inner quadrilateral. We get the answer. The area of the patio. Area of the outer quadrilateral minus area of the inner quadrilateral. We get the area of the patio. First taken the outer quadrilateral. A minus 4, minus 8 is x1, y1. x1 minus 4, y1 minus 8. B 8, minus 4, x2 8, y2 minus 4. C 6, 10, x3 6, y3 10. D minus 10, 6 is x4, y4, x4 minus 10, y4 6. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD half into x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y4 plus x4, y1 minus x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x4, y3 plus x1, y4 square units. Half into x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus 4 plus x2 8, y3 10 plus x3 6, y4 6 plus x4 minus 10, y1 minus 8 minus x2 8 into y1 minus 8 plus x3 6 into y2 minus 4 plus x4 minus 10 into y3 10 plus x1 minus 4 into y4 6 half into minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16 plus 8 into 10 80 plus 6 into 6 that is 6 plus minus 10 into minus 8 minus 80 minus 8 into minus 8 minus 64 6 into minus 4 minus 24 minus 10 into 10 minus 100 plus minus 4 into 6 minus 24 1 by 2 16 plus 80 plus 36 plus 80 we get 212 minus 64 minus 24 minus 100 minus 24 is minus 212 half into 212 minus into minus plus 212 half into 424 424 is divided by 2 we get 212 square units. The area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 212 square units. Area of the quadrilateral EFGH, the inner quadrilateral area of the inner quadrilateral is E minus 3 comma minus 5 is x1 comma y1 x1 minus 3 y1 minus 5 f 6 comma minus 2 is x2 comma y2 x2 6 y2 minus 2 g 3 comma 7 is x3 comma y3 x3 3 y3 7 h minus 4 comma minus 6 comma 4 is x4 comma y4 x4 minus 6 y4 4. Area of the quadrilateral EFGH, the formula is half into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x4 y3 plus x1 y4 square units half into x1 minus 3 y2 minus 2 plus x2 6 into y3 7 plus x3 3 into y4 4 plus x4 minus 6 into y1 minus 5 minus x2 6 into y1 minus 5 plus x3 3 into y2 minus 2 plus x4 minus 6 into y3 7 plus x1 minus 3 into y4 4 half into minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 6 into 7 42 plus 3 into 4 12 plus minus 6 into minus 5 plus 30 minus 6 into minus 5 minus 30 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 6 into 7 minus 42 minus 3 into 4 minus 12 1 by 2 into 6 plus 42 plus 12 plus 30 we get 90 minus 30 plus minus 30 minus 6 minus 42 minus 12 is minus 90 half into 90 plus 90 minus into minus 90 plus 90 half into 90 plus 90 180 180 divided by 2 90 square unit. Area of the quadrilateral EFGH is 90 square unit. Area of the Panteo, area of the quadrilateral ABCD is the outer quadrilateral minus area of the quadrilateral EFGH is the inner quadrilateral. Outer quadrilateral minus inner quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 212 minus area of the quadrilateral EFGH is 90. 212 minus 90 get 122 square units. Therefore, the area of the patio is 112 square units.